Hello, I am going to present you a demo of our work, which is immersive cognitive therapy for job integration with people with intellectual disabilities. For this, we have created a system to train cognitive tasks. This system has been designed in collaboration with therapists at an occupational center. This diagram shows three components: a user with an HTC XR Elite headset and biosensors, an access point for communication, and a therapist with a PC running a control application. The user sends emotional cognitive data for analysis and HMD view frames, while the therapist remotely controls the XR application via ADB and TCP commands. This image shows the interface for the therapist to control the session. It is composed of a control area and a visualization area. In the control area, the therapist has control over the launch and stop of the application. The system also manages what the user sees and hears during the session. It controls the launching of the different scenarios as well as specific elements within those scenarios. Additionally, it is able to launch audio tracks. In the visualization area, the therapist can see which device is connected, as well as the battery remaining of the device. Also, it has an area to mirror the HMD view, which is what the user sees. This is done through an open source application called SRC-Py and enables to mirror the HMD view through ADB in Python Qt. This enables the therapist to track what the user sees and does. The application running on the HMD includes three VR design scenarios. The first one includes a friendly and inclusive eye tracking calibration scenario. The second scenario takes place in a supermarket and involves two tasks: restocking products on shelves with empty gaps and preparing products orders. Each task has 6 levels of difficulty. Finally, the third scenario takes place in a cafeteria and involves collecting dirty dishes and serving orders to tables. As well as in supermarket scenario, each task has 6 levels of difficulty. Here is a demonstration of a session development. HMD with face tracker records eye movements and pupil size, requiring calibration. Existing calibration isn't inclusive, as it can't be launched with a control application and sometimes cannot be performed with participants due to error. An inclusive eye tracking calibration scene is added, featuring 6 points in a sphere, and the user has to look at them. With this scene, we are able to calculate the eye movement errors. We continue with cognitive task training. Firstly, we show a demo of the supermarket scenario. The therapist can launch the scenario and level from the interface and can track real-time how the user is performing the task. In this demo, the user is performing the first task, which is to restock products to shelves. Now we will see a demo of the cafeteria scenario. As well as in the supermarket, the scenario and level can be chosen from the interface. Here, the user is performing the second task, which is to serve orders to tables. When the level advances, more products and more similarity between products are involved.